Good morning, children. Today, in our EVS class, we are going to see some book back exercise in lesson number 4. Are you all ready, children? Yes. Take out your note, put today's date, write EVS lesson 4. Yes, did you all write it, children? Very good. So, children, in this lesson, we are having few book back exercise which we are going to do it today. Are you all ready, children? Yes. First one. What is this in the picture, children? What is it? It is a towel. So, what will you use towel? For what you will use? You will use towel to dry. When we take bath and come, we use towel to dry ourselves, right? Yes. So, write, I use a towel to dry myself. I use a towel to dry myself. I use a towel to dry myself. So, children, you write it. I use a towel to dry myself. So, for what we use the towel? We use towel to keep ourselves dry. Yes. When it is very wet, when we take bath and come, we will use a towel to dry ourselves. Yes. Will you all use your towel? Yes. You should use a clean towel. Whenever you take a new towel, check whether it is clean. Okay, children? You should use only clean things. Okay? If you use clean things, you will be very healthy. Okay? Yes. Can we write the second one? What is it? What is this, children? This is a comb. Right, very good. So, for what we use a comb? We use comb to comb our hair, right? If my hair is like this, no? If I am sitting like not neatly, if my hair is not neatly, will you all like to see me? No, right? I have to keep my hair clean. Then only you will like to see my class, right? So, you have to comb your hair. Yes. With what you will comb your hair? With a comb. So, comb also should be clean. Okay. When you keep on using a comb, the dirt will go inside the comb. You have to wash it with water then and there. Weekly once or twice in a week you can clean and keep the comb very clean. Okay, children? Yes? Very good. Can we write this line? I use a comb to comb my hair. I use a comb to comb my hair. I use a comb to comb my hair. Yes, did you all write it? Very good. Once again, I use a comb to comb my hair. I use a comb to comb my hair. Yes, children. Very good. Did you all write it? So what is next? Are you all ready to write the next one? Yes, here is the next one. What is it, children? Soap. Yes, very good. Are you all using a soap? When will you use a soap? When you take bath, you will wash your hands, legs, face, everything with the soap. Yes. So soap clean our body, right? All the dirt will go off when you clean with the soap. Yes. Very good. So can we write it? I use a soap to wash my body. 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 Yes, did you all write? I use a soap to wash my body. Yes, very good. Can we see the next one? Yes. What is it? It is a toothbrush. Very good. What will you do with your toothbrush? You will clean your teeth. Yes. So, you will take a toothbrush, put a paste on it and you will brush daily, right? How many times you will brush, children? I will brush 2 times a day. Are you all brushing 2 times? Once you get up early in the morning, you have to brush your teeth. And before you go to bed, you have to brush your teeth. Yes? Are you all doing it? I am doing it. So only see my teeth is white in color. If you are not doing it, your teeth will become yellow in color and your mouth will not have a good smell. Okay? So you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Okay? Will you all brush? Very good. So, children, write. I use a toothbrush to brush my teeth. 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 Yes. So, what did we see? First one, I use a towel to dry myself. I use a comb to comb my hair. I use a soap to wash my body. I use a toothbrush to brush my teeth. So, children, you all wrote this? Yes, very good. Next, we are going to write match the following. Are you all ready? Yes. So, children, I will help you in matching. You can pause the video and see to it and write. Okay? Yes. Yes. Super. So, match the following is the heading. Are you all ready, children? Yes. To clean my teeth. What will you use to clean your teeth? I use a toothbrush. So you have to match here. Super. When my hair is untidy, I use a comb. When your hair is not neat, what will you use? You will use a comb. When my hands are dirty, just a second. When my hands are dirty, I wash them with soap. So, here, okay. Next one. When my nails are too long, will you grow your nails very long? It is good. No, you should not grow your nails. See how small is my nails. You should not grow your nails. You should then and there cut your nails. Okay? So that you will be healthy. When you grow nails, you will scratch like this and you will get scratches and you have to go to a doctor for that. So, don't grow nails. When you cut your nails, you will not feel to scratch and you will not get any injuries. Okay, children? So, how will you cut? We will cut with the nail cutter. When my nails are too long, I use a nail cutter to cut them. Yes. Next one. When I have a cold, when I am having cold, what will I use? I will use a kerchief. For what? If I am coughing, I have to cough like this, right? For that, I should not use my dupatta. I should use my kerchief. Okay? Yes. When I have cold, I use a handkerchief. Next, when I am wet, I use a towel to dry myself. Now only we wrote right. Super. When I am wet, I use a towel to dry myself. So children, you all can match and then you can write it as a sentence. Okay, children? Yes, will you all do it? Yes. So, practice this at home. This is not just a book back exercise. This is for our life lessons. Okay? You have to follow it. You have to keep your teeth clean. You have to comb your hair and keep yourself clean. You should not have your hands dirty. You have to go and wash with soap. And when if you are having nails, you have to cut it and keep your nails clean. And when you have a cold, you have to use handkerchief. When you are wet, you have to use your towel to dry. Okay, will you all follow it? Very good. So, practice all this, write it and keep it safe. Okay, children? So, be safe at home. Have healthy home foods. Okay? Don't eat outside foods. Eat only homemade foods and be safe and be healthy. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye.